Guys, let's do unboxing. Yeah. Ta-da! My treadmill just arrived. My receipt. Rain already touched it. Okay. That's exactly why I did not just destroy the nylon and everything, because I don't know where the receipt will be. Let us undress her right now. Ta-da! This is quite heavy. Hold on. I am tired already. Okay. Very secured. Very I'm so happy. I'm so happy. It's time to take exercising very serious. Like me, I'm just trying to keep in shape. It doesn't consume space at all. When you are done, you can just tuck it by the wall. Place this thing down, place it by the wall. So it doesn't have to consume you any space at all. You can keep this in your bedroom, in your kitchen, in your sitting room, anywhere at all. I'm just trying to live healthy. If you're really looking for a way to look healthy, please go and get this treadmill, platform, walking pad, anyone you can afford. It is very affordable. Trust me, health is wealth. You need to be healthy for you to enjoy. Focus, lubricants, remote control. Watch out to see how I use this. This is a phone holder. These are some screws. While it is for safety, this should be placed here, right here. While this clip should be placed anywhere on my clothes. So if I am in danger, let's assume I fall down right now, this is going to pull away, this is going to pull out like this, and the machine will automatically stop because it will assume that I am in trouble. Isn't it amazing? This is magnetic. Once it touches this yellow place right now, it will just click immediately. This yellow place right here, once it touches it, it will just magnet it. It is magnetic. It is also very easy to move. This is where you can place your phone and watch your movie. This is the clip. It's very important in case something happens to you. Or you can be walking while you're walking. This is the remote control. I don't care. We just go and get yours. It is very affordable. This is very affordable. Okay, the earlier you get it, the better for you. Thank you for watching till this moment. Foldable walking pad, walking platform, treadmill, whatever you choose to call it. The good news is that I just got mine and I'm very excited. It's very easy to use. Once we are done using it, you can just fold it and tuck it away. Just place it behind the wall. It doesn't consume any space, and you can also be using it while you are working on your table, on your desk. You can keep it under the desk while you are working.